Blum have released their official criteria to qualify for the airdrop. So in this video, I'm going to explain the criteria for you to qualify for Blum Airdrop. You know, Blum is one of the highly expected airdrop that many people have high expectation from. So my name is Emmanuel Lu for Media Official. If you are new, welcome to this channel. If you have been watching us before, thank you very much. Remember to subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on. So let's start with, if you have been mining Blum now for a few months now, or going to a year now, and most people have been asking, when is Blum launching? So Blum is launching actually in the second quarter to the third quarter of this year. That is the range. No actual date given. Some people have already mentioned the from the official detail for the Blum official Twitter handles and Telegram handles. They only gave second quarter of this year. That's the TGE, the token generation will start. So now, and we're in April. April is second quarter of 2025. So we are, so maybe in April, maybe May, June, maybe in July, but in this second quarter is when the token will be generated. Then there are three criteria that you have to qualify, or you have to get for you to qualify for Blum Airdrop. So you need to watch to the end of this video so I can know those three criteria and make sure you get them if you want to really want to qualify for the Blum Airdrop. Now, the first criteria is, number one, you must have at least 1,000 Blum points. Sorry, you must have at least 100,000 Blum points. 100,000 Blum points. Yes, you know, all this tap, you know, you have been farming every day. You know, most of us used to farm the Blum every day. So that farming point, the one you get for playing that games, the Blum games and other things, that is where you get the point and referral point discount for the Blum point. So at least you need to have at least 100,000 Blum points. Then the second is, Blum has also introduced their own meme pad where you can trade meme coins. You know, there's a section where you can trade meme coins in Blum. I will do more practical videos on this. So if I'm going to do more video on how I can do that, comment in the comment section how I can trade meme coins. So remember, subscribe. I'll do more videos on that. But for now, I'm giving you the three criteria, which is number two now. Number one was 100,000 points, Blum points. Number two is you need to trade the meme coin. You need to have at least 750 meme trading points. They call it meme trading point. It means you need to trade in the Blum meme pad to have at least 750 meme coin points. It's either you trade or you create. So for me, I have traded and I've created a meme coin in Blum. You can check it at BTk. So you can go and trade that meme coin so that I can get points. I created it just yesterday. So I'll do video on how you can create a meme coin. That will give you more points immediately. You know, that will give almost 500 Blum points. I just created one. That's what I got. So and the minimum is 750. So if I get another one again, it will give me 1,000. So that balance even get more than the minimum. So if I'm going to do video on that, or how you can create the meme coin on a Blum, on a Telegram, comment on the comment section and subscribe so I can get a video when I do it. Then the third criteria is you need to refer at least 2 persons. I know this is where most people will say, why must I refer? Because most people don't like referral, anything referral. But this is part of life already now, especially if you are into business, online things or airdrops. So at least they say at least 2. So I believe you should try your best. I know it may not be easy for some people, but it's something you can learn. Try to refer 1 or 2 persons so that before the deadline, because according to the official release, they said they release this criteria to enable those that have not qualified to buckle up. So if it's a fraud that is the issue, you can try and meet up before then. If you can refer your family member, you know, you can refer your family member just find somebody in your church, in your school, or anywhere to refer, and so they can get the required point for the Bloom. They can qualify. It's very important you do that. So I think this is the 3 points. To summarize again, number 1 is you need to get at least 100,000 Bloom points. Number 2 is that you need to refer at least 2 persons. Then number 3 is you need to get at least 750 meme trading points. So subscribe to this channel. If I want to do, I will do more video on that, on how I can do the trading and other things. So thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.